Today I'll show you how I changed my garage door opener. It needed batteries, so first of all you find a hardware store that sell the batteries, and then to open the remote, just turn it around to the back. You take the clipper off, and you can use this for a flathead screwdriver. Seeing that this is handy, we will use this. And if you turn to the side, you'll see there is a little spot here that has an indent. Okay, you just take the edge of this and you hook it and you pull. It acts like a screwdriver, so you just hook it in and you pry it apart, and it's supposed to split and take the two pieces apart. So here I go. There it's lifting up, see? And you just all the way around. See, it's opening. I'm sure you can see it's opening up. And then you just gently do it all the way around so that you can just lift it out. There it is, see? Now you just need to get the back. Be gentle so that it does not break. Just a little more nudging, and it should come off. It has to come off all the way. You can probably use your hands now to just lightly open. And there you have the inside of your remote. All you need to do now is lift the battery up. This is the battery. Make sure that when you buy, the size matches. You just gently lift this out. The whole thing will come off. Don't be afraid, you just put it back in the same way you found it. And remember to put the battery with positive facing up. Okay? So now you just gently lift it out. Lifted it out. There you go. Throw this out. We put this for disposal, and then you just replace it with the new one. So you replace it with the new one. Slightly press until you hear the click, and then you just put this back on. Remember to just line it up. These are the 3 buttons that has to match the spaces on the remote. Just punched it out. Just put it. Okay, if you look at the remote, here is the bigger portion. So the bigger portion here, you make sure you put that face on, and you just line it up nicely. Make sure all the edges are lined up, and then just press it in. And there your remote battery has been changed. Good luck, and thanks for watching. Hope my video was helpful.